Welcome back. So I'm going to start off by simply saying that there will be a little bit of background noise, but I will not talk all the way through this video, so you won't hear too much. I just wanted to start off by telling you exactly what I plan on doing. So I have this beautiful hot cocoa bar sign. I got this last year for a discounted price. It was sitting on a shelf all by its lonesome. There was no tag. Nobody seemed to know how much it cost because there were no more in the store. And the manager was just like, I don't know what it's cost. Gave me a random tag off of another sign, and she was like, here, tell them to give you 50% off of that. So I got this for like $5. Yes, I love a good deal. Now this is more kind of like a farmhouse style, I would say, which is absolutely not even remotely close to the theme I have in my house. But when I saw this sign, I was like, it's gorgeous and I have to have it. So what I plan on making is a gingerbread garland, a light up gingerbread garland just to hang, because this will be hanging up on my wall, and then I just wanted a little something to hang down here. So in order to make that, and this right here is actually inspired by some gingerbread garland I bought off of Amazon but absolutely hated. I did mention that in a video a few weeks ago. I have this cord which I used in a few videos ago. I absolutely hate it because you cut it and it just completely unravels itself. But I already bought it, so can't, waste my one night. It's gonna get used with something. I have these gingerbread stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is also from Hobby Lobby. And it's a 4-pack, 2 girls, 2 boys. I'm using these. And some pom-poms, also from Hobby Lobby. Everything's 50% off. So yeah, I will be using these. And I might possibly make it light up. So I do have these adorable, beautiful, bright fairy lights that I got from Amazon. Ooh, those are bright. Those are not coming up very well on camera, but they're really beautiful. They're super bright. I got these from Amazon in a 6-pack for $10. So basically, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna kind of hot glue everything to the string and hope it looks good. So please consider subscribing, like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think. So I started off by measuring out my cord, and I just kind of placed it under the sign to hold it in place while I glue down my stickers. And I just placed the stickers where I knew I wanted them and just started using hot glue to put them on. Obviously this is a one-sided garland, but it's going against the wall, so I'm not really bothered by that. And after I do the stickers, I lay out my little pom-poms and hot glue them on too. Super simple, easy, gorgeous garland, and it looked way better than the stuff that I bought on Amazon, because yo, that shit was no ma'am, no ma'am. But this, yes. It was so easy. It took me just a couple of minutes to do it, and I am obsessed. So here is the second of my super simple gingerbread DIYs. I got this wood cutout from Dollar Tree. I really wish I got more than one, but at the time I was like, I don't know what to do with this. I'm not crafty enough, but I've been binge watching YouTube videos and I was like, okay, I think I can do this. So I took a little bit of caulking and put it into the hole. You can use wood filler, whatever you have, but I find the caulking worked just fine for me. popped off the buttons because I won't be using those. You know, I have to be extra fancy with my gingerbreads especially. So we're not gonna need these little things. They too boring for me. And I started to paint the body with classic caramel from Apple Barrel, and then put a little bit of glitter in my hands and just did a light dusting over the wet paint after I used my sponge brush to give the paint a little bit of texture like a cookie. These giant peppermints are from Hobby Lobby in the My Little Christmas section. I absolutely love their fake candies. I thought they would be a bit more festive than the little buttons that were on there. And I'm using these wooden craft cubes I got from the Dollar Tree to make them stand. I just glued 2 of them onto the back of his feet and he stands perfectly. Now I am about to take this little snow globe sign and I am using this free printable that I got from a lady here on YouTube. I am using her idea. I will leave her YouTube name across the screen so you can go check her out. The sign is cute, but it does not fit my decor at all. Y'all know I am gingerbread crazy over here. So I am using the printable to cover up the sign, and I simply painted the bottom half in apple red. I think it's apple red from Apple Barrel paints. And I'm going to add a bit of ribbon and some baker's twine for embellishments. And glitter, of course. Can't go wrong with glitter. So I started using Mod Podge to put over the picture, but this is where I realized that the Mod Podge was actually making the paint smear, but I was already in too deep, so I had to use the glitter and hope that it covered up the smearing, and then I started wondering how I could use... Draco, stop it. It's my dog trying to break into the room. So I started trying to figure out how I could cover up the... Oh my goodness, he just opened the door. Draco. Instead of using the little gingerbread embellishments, I just decided to use a little bit of puffy paint to try to distract the eye from the smearing. I don't think it looked that bad. I think it looked okay in the end. So I put on a little bit of hot glue and added this ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. Again, this could have been done with all Dollar Tree products because they do have some pretty decent ribbon, but this is one of my favorite ribbons to use. I got this from Hobby Lobby for half off. And then I wrap some baker's twine around it and make a cute little bow, and boom, that's it. Super simple. Thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed these gingerbread DIYs. I thought they were super simple and a ton of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button and make sure you join me for the rest of our 12 days of Christmas here in a Glitter Creams world. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.